Okay, so basically you have your equation up here, and you have your the function, and so your rule is, well, the first rule is going to be your x plus 2 if your x is less than 0. So what I did is, I believe, sorry. So what you do is you start at your 0, or no, you start at your 2, because it's left alone. It's not attached to an x. So assuming that it's not attached to the x, it's not going to be your slope, so it's just a number. So you start at your 2, and then you go up 1 over 1, because there's no number attached to your x, meaning that it's just going to be 1. So you start at your 1, and you go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and you keep doing that until you get to your end. And then you go down 1, backwards 1. So you do that until you get to the end point. And since your second portion of your first rule is the x is less than 0, you would go to where your spot is 0, which is right there, because, well, your origin is 0, and you didn't start at your 0, you started at your 2. So this coordinate pair is basically, I want to say 0, 2, or 2, 0. I believe it's 0, 2. So, it's basically saying that the 2 has hit the 0, it's just not on the 0, so it's on the 0 line. So you go to your 0, and then since it's less than, these are your values less than, because it's negative, and it's going further away from 0, so you just draw your line down that way to the left, because it's less than, and then you do your little arrow at the end. For your second rule, it's the 2x plus 5 if 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. So you'd start at your 5, which is positive, go up to your 5, and then you go up 2, forwards 1, up 2, forwards 1. Keep doing that until you reach your end, or whenever you really feel like stopping. But make sure that you have enough dots, obviously. And then you can go down to backwards 1 to do your negative slope, to go do the line. And assuming since there's only there's two pieces to your second end of the rule, it's gonna look like a barbell like this. And you'd go to where your x equals 0, which is right there, which is your 5, and then you go to your I'm confused. You'd go to your 2, which is right there, and you'd go up to where the x's hit the 2 with your dot, and you just connect the 2 points that you have, and they're going to be closed. The first one was open because there's no equal to under it, but these 2 are equal to, so they're going to be closed, and make sure that you can tell that they're closed. For your third part of your rule, your equation is going to be your negative x plus 1 if your x is greater than 2, and you would start at your positive 1 and go down 1, forwards 1, and keep doing that pattern till you feel like you need to stop, or whenever you want to stop really, and then you just go that way. Go up 1, backwards 1, or up 1, backwards 1. And your rule is x is greater than 2, so you'd go to where your x is 2, go down to where your X has hit the 2 and make an open dot and connect the dots that are greater than 2. And then that's where you'd end. Sorry for my crappy explanation, but it works, and that's really all you need to know.